You didn't really think I was gonna make a video of me taking a shower, right? Okay. So on day 7, what I've added is to make sure I get a shower every day. Now, before everybody thinks I must be a real basket case, I would like to say that I almost always get 1 or more showers every day. But what I've been in the habit of lately is kind of just waiting till the end of the day, till I'm just exhausted and starving, heading upstairs from my office, going in the kitchen, making something to eat, go sit in front of the TV, eat, and then guess what? Pass out. And if I wake up and take a shower, then I'm awake all night. So I'll just sleep through the night in those cases, and I don't get a shower. Now, maybe I've taken a shower that morning and it's okay, but it doesn't always work out like that. And what this is really all about is more about just making sure that I am developing good habits that includes taking care of myself, which I've completely neglected myself for so long. I've just been so focused on what I'm working on and what I work on that I'm just like pushed in the background. So really, it's kind of funny that I added it to the list, but I thought, no, you know what? Just make sure, no matter what you have to do, you have to change your habits to make sure that you're taking care of yourself, and that's really what it's about. And I'm sitting here in front of one of my most favorite things in the whole world, and that is soap. And for someone who loves soap, you would think, well, for sure you're not going to miss a shower, right? Well, really, believe me, I try not to. But I want to tell you a little funny story about soap. So, you know, by the time you get my age, like, there's not a lot of things you need or you want, or you really don't want other people buying them for you. But yet people, you know, they love you and they want to give you gifts, right? So for a while, I was telling people, well, you know, I actually started a collection of Victorian hat pins just to have something small that people could buy for me. And what's funny was year after year, I would, you know, people would say, well, what do you want for your birthday? Or what can I get you for this or that? And I would say, well, I would love a Victorian hat pin. And guess what? I never got one, but I did get 2 Victorian hat pin holders one year. So anyway, I kind of gave up on that. And then it occurred to me, because I traveled a lot, that one of the things that I really like to do is, you know, buy something from everywhere I go, just some little thing. And I was kind of started cutting back with soaps. Like, oh, here's a specialty soap made by someone in this town, and it's got all the good stuff in it, right? And I really started loving these specialty soaps. So now for about the last 8 years, I've been telling everyone, when they ask, what should I get for you? I just tell them, please, just give me some really good soap because I love it. Well, normally, and this is a collection of how much soap I have right now, and normally I don't have this much soap, right? But what happened was I ran out of all the gift soaps that everyone had given me just about 2 or 3 weeks before my birthday, and I was in this one of the big mega marts, and they had this package of soap that I consider to be pretty good for your standard run-of-the-mill soap, you know. And I just couldn't pass up to buy the giant package and get the cheap price deal. So I did, and then finally, when my birthday came, guess what? Everybody actually listened to me this year. Thank you. They got me what I really wanted. Thank you. Which is really pretty easy to find and, you know, easy to pick out. And I got lots more gift soaps. So I'm sitting here right now with this giant hoarded, you know, it looks like I'm hoarding soap. I have so many soaps, but that's because I just bought a giant pack of regular soap and I just got a whole bunch for my birthday. But I really do enjoy using these different exotic soaps because they're so good for your skin, and one of the things that I really enjoy doing when I'm in the shower is I like visualizing. I like playing out scenes in my head. Just, you know, it's your relaxing time. You're not just getting clean, it's also can be a very relaxing time. And there's something about just washing off the day's dirt, and I wash it out of my mind, and then I try to gear up with some visualization. And these soaps are really good for my skin, but also they always have such a pleasant smell to them, and it just helps me to be a little bit mentally transported somewhere else. Well, okay, that's it for today. From now on, no matter what, making sure I get that shower in there. No more falling asleep in the chair after I eat. Okay, that's it. A whole week now, 7 days in a row. Can't believe it.